This is Mr. Hardesty. Let's factor trinomials. Factor each polynomial. M squared minus 7m plus 12. We know that a general trinomial, if it can be factored, will be two binomials. That is, we can have a binomial with a minus sign or with a plus sign, maybe one of each, maybe both. How can we tell? Well, let's evaluate the three terms of our trinomial. The first term, m squared, I know that if I would multiply m times m, think FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. When I do first times first, m times m is m squared. There are no other two factors to multiply together to get m squared. M times m is m squared. Now think about the other end of FOIL, last. These two terms. 12 is to be our product. 12. Lots of ways to get 12. Maybe 1 times 12, 2 times 6, or 3 times 4. To help guide us, we'll now take a look at that middle term and the coefficient on m, negative 7. When I look at my pairs of factors and I have seen that 7, I really like 3 and 4. Let's try it. 3 times 4 is 12. When we do outer and inner together, we have to get negative 7 in the middle. Outer is 4m, inner is 3m. Together, that's 7m. Make those negative, negative 4, and negative 3 is negative 7. There's our two negatives. Of course, to check it, let's FOIL. First times first is m squared. Outer is negative 4, inner is negative 3, together negative 7m in the middle, and last times last, negative 3 times negative 4 is 12. Think of it as foiling in reverse. 3y squared minus 5y minus 2. Reverse FOIL. First times first, 3y times y to get us 3y squared. There's no other factors to put together for first times first to get 3y squared. Let's go down to last. We're to get negative 2. Negative 2, not a lot of options here. Negative 1 times 2, 1 times negative 2, those are our options. Consider, as we're looking for negative 5 as our outer and inner coefficient, that we have a 3 out here. Let's just try. Let's put two factors in of negative 1 and 2 and see what we're looking at when we FOIL. Outer is 6y, inner is negative 1y. That would give us 5y. We're very close. We just need this to be negative. So let's try changing these signs. Plus 1, negative 2. Looking at these factors, outer would be negative 6y, inner is positive 1y. There we go. There's negative 5y in the middle. Reverse FOIL, and the factored form of this trinomial is 3y plus 1 times y minus 2.